Incremental greetings. Let's continue the Supermemo course, the Pleasurable expansion. And now it's turn for the subset files. Files that are stored in the computer about the subset. Let's dig into that. The subset file, that is just a saved file. Because any subset can be saved. And then, as the final thing I will say about subsets, that any view, let's say now tasks, can be saved. I can go process the browser. So now what I can do is subset. I can save all. This will save to a file, SUB file. And I have this. I can add a saved. So if I already saved one, I can add one other, like, I don't know, the last, this is dynamic, the last browser, or one day that I did, or anything. If I go subsets, here you go. Browser, because I wanted to do search and replace. Here are flashcards that happen to be close deletions. Or elements that I just spread that a specific day. Hey, I did want to spread in bulk in the year 2022. Or items with template, pa-pa-pam. So I can add whatever I want. So now I have more elements. So actually I added two subsets into one. And then more advanced, you can do the intersect, intersperse, and subtract. Those are the views that we have seen and the ones are reserved from when we are ready for them. That's all for now, and see you in the next video.